On this VIX 75, which is Volatility 75 index, I'm going to be talking how to trade this market successfully using one of the best strategies so far, and this strategy works very perfectly. About 100% strategy. Okay, this strategy is a golden strategy for Volatility 75. You know that Volatility 75 is not like the boom and crash market. It's not like the forex market. Volatility 75 market, as you can see right here, these markets go upwards, downwards, go upwards, downwards without giving you a direction, right? You can see the best way to follow this market is using the trend line, such as the moving average. You can use the moving average and other indicators to see this market movement clearly. All right, so I'm going to share with you how to trade this market successfully using three indicators that will help you trade successfully using this market. And trust me guys, this strategy is perfect. So I want you to pay attention to what I'm about to share with you on this video, right? And I want you to watch this video to the very end so that you can understand perfectly. All right, let's get started. So as you can see here, this market is clearly at the downside, which is the oversold region. The first thing you want to do when you're trading any type of market is to always check the hourly time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. Perfect. You can see that the 1 hour time frame right here, the market is at the oversold, and on the 1 minute the market is at the oversold. On the 15 minute the market is at the oversold, the same position. So this is very perfect. So that means this market is going one way direction, which is following the same trend, not like the boom and crash whereby the market, when it's at the overbought on the 1 hour, it might be at the oversold on the 1 minute. Right now we're on the 1 minute time frame right here. Okay, like I said, we use indicators to see the next price movement, and I will be able to trade this market successfully. So right now, these indicators, we're going to put on the moving average on indicator window 1, on the period 200, shift 0, exponential. On the method, you apply to close. The style on 2 pixels using the straight line, then you click on done. All right, so this is what we're seeing here. Then on the indicator window 1, we'll put on the RSI. You want to put that first before any other one. Period 14, you apply to close. The level is going to be on 90 and level of 10. The style on 4 pixels, color blue. The straight line pattern here, you click on done. All right, then the second indicator, which is the third indicator, is going to be the stochastic oscillator, which we are going to use. The stochastic oscillator, you put the K period, which is the percentage K period on 5, percentage D period 3, slowing 3, price feed low/I, exponential on the method, right? The method is exponential. The levels you want to put on 22, 80 and 64. The style here, put it on 4 pixels level, the style black color, then this middle line here, you click on done. You apply to all time frames. The main on black on 3 pixels, the signal on red 3 pixels, you click on done. Perfect guys. So I want you to pay attention to what I'm about to share with you. The two things you need to take note of is these two lines, this black line here and this red line here. Just as you can see at this point, very perfect. This black line here and this red line, two perfect lines, trade lines we need to take note of. And this purple line here, which is the moving average, so that we can see the direction of the market. So all right, so what I'm about to tell you right here, remember I said in the beginning that the Volatility 75 index market is kind of a trend line pattern trading style that it follows, and it's not like the boom and crash or any type of other type of forex market. It's just following the trend line, and that's why it's a lot easier to trade. Okay, that's why it's a lot easier to trade. So take a look at this for a moment. This black line here, this is the stochastic oscillator, right? And this is the red line, also stochastic oscillator. But if you take a look at this, this is the main and this is the signal. So the black is the main line and the red is the signal. The black is the main and the red is the signal. So what we're going to be following is the signal. Follow the signal, guys. That is the red line, which is the signal we're going to follow. Take a look at this point here. This signal needs to be above, okay, at the upwards. We're not looking at the level of 90 or the level of 10 at this point. The signal needs to be above at the right hand side of the main, which is the black line here. It needs to be above. So when it's above, the MACD will go downwards. The red line, which is the signal, already give you a signal for a downward trend. Let me mark it for you guys so that you can see perfect. Here, take a look at it. So whenever this red line is at the right hand side, crossing between the black line, which is the main, whenever the signal cross the black hand side, the black line at the right side, the market is going to sell. Take a look at it. The market would sell. So imagine if you are at this point right here when you're trading the VIX 75 market, and at that point you want to place a sell immediately, just to be in a profit at that point in time, right? Take a look at another entry here. Trace it. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, here, the right hand side, when there's a crossing, okay, when there's a crossing at the right hand side, the market began to sell. All right, take a look at it from here downwards to this point. The market sold. You can see from here it sold downwards. So there was a sell, there was a buy, there was a sell, and there was another spike in price movement towards the upward side, but it didn't end there. It went backwards, right? So you can see how perfect this strategy is, and we're able to make profit from this type of market. I'm going to give you other examples on how you can make profit using the same strategy for volatility 75, and now you'll be able to make profit from this type of trading market. Okay, now you saw how perfect this strategy is. Scalping this type of market is kind of tricky. All you need to do is just follow the trend line. Okay, you follow the trend line when the signal is giving you that signal. When you are doing this stochastic oscillator, remember these two important trend lines, the main and the signal. The signal line needs to be at the right hand side, crossing the main black line. You saw there was the signal line is the red and the main is the black. It need to cross before the market is going to sell. It's crossing down below here. It's crossing, so the market will sell. And at this point, when it cross at the downward side, it's going upwards, the market will buy. You see, very perfect. Okay, very perfect. Now if you remove this stochastic oscillator right now and go back to the market here, tell me now, without using the stochastic oscillator, how will you be able to predict the price movements in this market? Tell me. Because most traders will always say indicators are not the best way to trade. All you need to do is understand price action strategy. But right now, tell me guys, how will you be able to see the trend movements using, even if you use the moving average alone, you will not be able to see the next price movement for either a buy or a sell entry. There's no stochastic oscillator. This is just the RSI. With the RSI alone, it's just showing you the overbought and the oversold. That's just the main purpose of the relative strength index. Tell me, how will you be able to place a sell? How will you be able to place a buy at this point right now? If you go to the latest trend, okay, the latest trend right now is showing us oversold, meaning the market will buy. But remember that this market is volatility 75. It's not the boom and crash whereby you go to the hourly time frame to confirm your entries. This market is at the oversold right now. If you place a buy, it will buy for a little bit and it will drop down. It will buy for a little bit and it will drop down. So you don't even know the where the market is actually going. This is the moving average. It's showing you a downward trend, right? The moving average is only following the trend line of the market structure. So if you add the stochastic oscillator back into the market right here. Perfect. What do you see? What do you see here? Like I said, once this signal line crosses above, now this is at the downward trend, you need to go down, cross at this point. That means this market right now is buying. The market is going to buy. All right, take a look at this point here. The market buy at this point. The market bought, considering the fact that it's the 1 minute time frame. The market here, the market buy. The same at this point, the market sold here. From this point above, from here, the right hand side, the market began to sell. So you can see how perfect this strategy is. Now if you are trading on the hourly time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, this strategy also works. This is the 1 hour time frame. For example, here it crossed below, as you can see, where they touch each other and the market began to sell. At this point again, the 1 hour time frame, it began to sell. Perfect strategy for you to make profits in this type of market. And this is not the only useful indicator. There are other indicators like the MACD, the average true range, another type of indicators, the money flow index, that you can use to make profit in this type of market. You can even use the Bollinger Band to make profit in this type of market. So I hope after watching this video you found value and understand how to trade volatility 75 using the stochastic oscillator and the average true range, using the stochastic oscillator and the RSI. The RSI, the relative strength index, plays a minimal role, a small role in this market. Okay, it plays a small role in this market, just so that you can see the higher highs and the lower lows, such as the overbought and the oversold positions. So I hope you understand this video, and if you found value in this video, do it to like and subscribe to the channel, the Daily Forex, for more some trading tips and strategies. I'll see you guys on the next video.